Your dream idea can be implemented without needing investor, leveraging AI, blockchain, and YouTube. You can spark this generating value from the seeding phase. You have to structure your idea to make it compatible with these three systems. I recommend you to use SMART framework. It's abbreviation of specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Accompany me to the end of this video. I will teach you to make your idea smart. That's easy. I will present an example for you to make it more understandable. At the end, you will have the complete toolset to start your idea independent. You start to generate added value from the first point. Let's start with the first letter, which is S, reflects specific. My example idea wants to reduce carbon footprint of data centers as its specific objective. Please start to simulate by yourself what is the main objective of your idea. Take it easy. And don't do this too much. SMART framework will refine our idea. The second letter is M, represent measurable. Our idea must be able to turn everything to numbers. To do this, I use YouTube and blockchain. On my example, I make my idea community-based, in which my subscribers play the pivotal role of developing and implementation of the idea. And you can do this also for your idea. YouTube dashboard provides you with valuable information and numbers of your community. And blockchain technology helps us to turn the subscribers into stakeholders, so they will have ownership of the project. Here is the point that we start adding value. The third letter is achievable. Our idea must be feasible. Community-based ideas are feasible. You decide to subscribe and like the idea, so the idea starts to create value. In my example, if you subscribe my channel, you make it feasible. You help me to create value, and I can promote the idea of reducing carbon footprint of data centers. The fourth letter is R, represent relevant. What makes a YouTube community relevant to reducing carbon footprint of data centers? Data centers are responsible for 2% of carbon footprint worldwide, which is equal to the whole aviation system. Unbelievable. But they have also an advantage. Their product is data. You can relocate data centers in a proper place. But what is proper place? On the other hand, we have eco-friendly islands like Pellworm in Germany, which generate surplus clean electricity. And they have a big challenge to store it and pay a lot of cost. To solve this problem, we promote the relocation of data centers to eco-friendly islands and create a win-win. Data centers produce less carbon footprint, and storing surplus clean electricity of eco-friendly islands will be solved. Go on to your case. You should brainstorm how you can make your idea relevant. And you can do this. You can also communicate on the comments about your idea. The last letter, T, represent time-bound. We should have a schedule to review the results of our activities on a regular basis. For our example, I choose 10,000 subscribers in the first 6 months. And after 6 months, we will review it together. If it is successful, we will improve it. And if not, we will correct it. Now let's talk about the role of AI, YouTube, and blockchain. We use AI for our daily tasks. Your idea is multi-aspect. If you start to interact with AI for your idea, you start a convergent process of try and error and waste a lot of time and energy. And when we structure our idea smart, every time that we interact with AI, we receive categorized data and information and develop our idea sustainable. What is the role of blockchain technology? Blockchain enables us to turn our community to stakeholders. They will have ownership of the project. It increases the loyalty. And YouTube, which is the biggest platform of visual content. 90% of information that our brain receives are visual information. And YouTube provides us with the widest field to bring people into the game. On the other hand, YouTube helps us to make our idea measurable with data, numbers, and facts about our community and their behavior, and also enables us to communicate and exchange. These interactions create a butterfly effect. Let's start. You simulate your idea-based example that I present. We will structure both of them and spark them to create added value. The fuel of this combination is your subscription. On this channel, you will learn how to start adding value for your new idea on the early stages without investor, and also support reducing carbon footprint of data centers. We will have together a learning by doing based on a creative friendship. Nice things for us and also for our beautiful planet. I'm very excited for the next videos to delve into more details about this new fusion. My name is Morteza Sultani. I am an aerospace engineer and I have experience in implementing smart framework using AI and blockchain. Thank you for your time. See you soon.